If you're looking for an awesome minifigure and build to actually create in the LEGO universe, the Captain Rex Y-Wing Microfighter is the one for you to consider. It is composed of 99 pieces all combined, includes Captain Rex right in here. You can go ahead and take him off. We'll examine the minifigure right after this. The entire stealth ship is micro in size. Now one thing I did put is the red things right here, but in reality they go right inside the stud shooter and you can shoot right out of here. In the front you can see double guns, barrels, and two different engine sets, and this whole entire thing looks amazing on both sides. It has a way for you to build 99 pieces, easy build and enjoyable as well to construct this. On the top there is an actual control panel. There is absolutely no stickers on this set, which makes it really amazing as well, and I like the whole entire inception. It is intended for age 6 and up. When you finish the build, the minifigure is included and it goes right into the driver's seat over here. Let's go ahead and examine the actual minifigure that is included in this specific set, which is Captain Rex over here. Captain Rex is a really nice looking minifigure. I like the way it actually looks, and you get a lot of details for paying and buying this entire set. The helmet is customized. You can take this thing right out of here. There's a few other pieces that I put away. They're not around here, but they are really nice, and you can change the helmet with different kind of things in here. Also, taking this off, he has a unique faceprint to him as well. On the side there is the Captain Jack over here, the entire, actually Captain Rex, the entire strap over here that makes him look really nice as a minifigure, and I really like this whole entire construction. You can see over here with the entire print is just really nicely made for the captain, and it makes him look really good as well. So I do like the whole entire attention to details with the double guns that are included and the back print as well. So you're getting an awesome print all combined, including the head, which is very unique and different that you usually don't get with this kind of minifigure. Overall, we're getting an awesome value because we have a micro fighter with a bunch of accessories that are included over here for Captain Rex, including the double guns over here, which is probably one of the most highlighted point of this whole entire set. But the spaceship is also cool as well. So if you're considering thinking about giving this as a gift, and it doesn't matter if it is a kid or adult, this thing is going to very much be very satisfying in terms of build and in terms of the quality of the minifigure itself. Now for the rating, this probably, for what it is, it's probably, for the money, 9.5 out of 10. You get a lot of value for the budget, for the money, and for everything else that you're getting. Definitely, I really like this set. And I'm not a big Star Wars fan, but when it comes to certain minifigures, this one is just something you should not be passing by for your collection. And the pieces are very nice indeed. They come with the microfighter in case you want to reuse this for a different kind of set.